So here's the quad, and once again, it hasn't been started in a week, so I'm going to pull it out, and then I'm going to start it up, and then I'm going to show you guys the jet skis, and that's probably going to be this video, and I might go over my truck, too. I'm probably going to go over my truck, but there's a quad. So yeah, I uncovered the jet skis, and here's what it looks like. Obviously, it's the same, I just haven't seen it in forever. So I uncovered, there's a spider. I uncovered this one and checked the engine inside the engine compartment, and it's completely dry. So like the other one has a tarp over top of it, and then we had that big tarp over both of them. So this one I have to wrap it back up, but I figured I'd show it to you guys. Expect a full walk around video on this once riding season gets here. So here's a 300, and I don't have to hold this up. Like on the 650, I gotta hold it up. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This motor is completely rebuilt. It has no hours on it. So we just gotta put a new E-box in, which I have it, and this thing should be ready to rip. It already runs really good. It just doesn't have a lot of power because the E-box is messed up. Looks like there's a little bit of antifreeze in the bottom of this, but that's actually not a bad thing. That way it keeps it from freezing. So here's this one. Like I said, I gotta re-up the tags on this, but it's got a new paint job on it.
If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hopefully we again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream.
It's fixed, and that turned both the engine lights off, so I'm pretty happy. Heading towards the auto store so I can get my core deposit back for this, but alternator's all changed. Sorry I didn't film more of it, but I just wanted to get it done. That's usually what happens when I'm gonna film something and then I end up just turning the camera off because I don't want to have to like mess with it, and I just want to get whatever I'm working on done, and then I just show you the after result. So I'm pretty happy. Look, no lights. That's so awesome. Alright guys, so I just got something in the mail. I started opening it a little bit, but I figured I should set the GoPro up so that you can see it. Hold on. Yes, so let's see what this is. I'm not going to take it out of the package, but this is a sunroof motor for my truck, so I'm really excited for this because there's nothing else. My sunroof's gonna work again, and that makes me pretty happy. So I'm gonna go to the junkyard. I gotta go get something for my truck. So you guys might see that later in the video. Alright, so I don't know where the last video left off. I think it was last week. I was driving my truck, and I don't think I took any more videos. And then there was a four-wheeler video. Well, it's the next Saturday now, so it's been a week since I filmed all that, and I figured I would show you what else I did. So here's the truck, and after we fixed the alternator, that was on Saturday morning. Then my brother came over and we rode the four-wheeler. Then on Sunday after I got out of work, my dad and I took the sunroof motor out of the truck, and now it's fixed. I ordered a new sunroof motor from Sunroof Doctor, and that ended up being the problem. So the dash is still good, the lights still haven't come on. I got the sunroof fixed, but the four-wheeler's broke, so the water pump seals are bad. So I just ordered those, like all the parts to replace those, and I don't know when I'm gonna be making, hold on, that's annoying. I don't know when I'm gonna be making the video like of me fixing that, but until I fix it, there won't be any more four-wheeler videos because I can't ride it. It's got coolant going into the transmission case because when it, I don't know how it works, but it's messed up. So I just ordered those parts. Other than that, I don't know, I think there might be a video of me going to the junkyard. I was gonna try and get some seats, but that ended up working. I still might get them. I put the CB back in here. It's hooked up. Oh, it's actually unplugged from the cigarette lighter right now, but yeah, I got it in here. I don't know. They got the antenna up too, but that's whatever. I don't know. I don't have anyone to talk to. I'm probably gonna take it out because it kind of just takes up a lot of space. And I don't know, it's not in the way of this, but so anyway, I just figured I would like end this. I think I'm gonna edit it and it's probably gonna come out tomorrow on Sunday. And it's videos from like the last week. So I just wanted to clear things up. But that's gonna be the end of the video, so stay tuned for more. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out. Down my